Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So today is our first full day in New Zealand. Yesterday we arrived at about 3 o'clock. So we only just went to walk around for a bit. It's so beautiful. It's a lake view. Mama and I are gonna get ready to go for a walk around and grab some breakfast. And then we have onsen hot springs on the agenda today. Let's go. Hello. The microphone has come out to play. We are just grabbing some breakfast before we go on our onsen hot spring. I ate so much for dinner last night, I'm actually not even hungry, so I'm just grabbing a coffee. Let's see how New Zealand coffee compares to Melbourne coffee. The view here is so pretty. Look at my beautiful mummy. Mum and I are now walking around Queenstown Gardens. It's a bit windy because we're right next to the lake. It feels like I don't know if you guys have gone on the treadmill at the gym and you use the interactive terrains for New Zealand. It's what it looks like. I feel like I'm walking on my treadmill at the moment. She's so cute. I feel like I'm in Twilight. Oh, stunning. Look at Mum being a tourist. Oh. We're currently at the grocery store because we haven't been having enough fibre. Everything's so much more expensive here compared to Australia. I'm trying to look for the Yo Pro protein alternative. I don't think they have it here. I found one. It's a bit similar. Got my powder. It is officially New Zealand day 3. My sister and dad are actually coming today to join us for our little trip. So we need to check out of this room and then recheck into another room. So it'll be 2 rooms that are joined by a door. So Mum and I are just packing up all of our stuff now. Just got ready and put my makeup on. The big thing on the agenda today is that I will be skydiving. My hair is in desperate need of a wash, especially after the head massage yesterday at the onsen. But I thought I'd save it for today because we're going to go skydiving anyway. So I'm just going to put a beanie on and hope for the best. Yeah. It rained last night, so it's a bit wet outside. Nobody's really going on a walk. Hopefully it stops raining later so that I can go skydiving. It's drizzling a little bit. So I got some bad news. My skydiving got cancelled today because of the weather. So my mum and I were just walking around the shops for a little bit, and then we've just stopped into a place to get some hot chocolate and juice. Just waiting for 2 o'clock, which is our check-in time to check into our new room. Look at the view. Look what the cat dragged in. Get the tree in there. My dad's weirdly into trees. Hello and welcome to my vlog. Oh. The weather decides to look nice after my skydiving gets cancelled. Look at the sky now. I feel like I haven't been moving around much this trip, because everything in Queenstown is walking distance away. I feel like all I've been doing is eating and I haven't really been, moving and exercising. So I decided I'm gonna go to the gym. There is a gym in Queenstown, it's about a 4-minute walk away. So that's where I'm heading now, and I hopefully can just get a casual pass. Queenstown gym, that's what I'm looking for. We have a big day planned today. I've got my skydiving at 9:30. And then after I come back, I want to try the Queenstown famous Ferg burger. I was contemplating last night which burger to get, but I think I just have to get the classic cheeseburger. And then we've got a cruise around the Queenstown lake, where Lake Wanipa. We are going to take the gondola up to the building at the top of the mountain and then have a buffet dinner there. Very exciting day today. Let's go. At 9:30 for Kathy with a K.
Skydiving operation that's been welcoming skydivers from around the world for over 35 years.
Oh my god, my skydiving got cancelled again. Literally, we were halfway through the briefing and the lady came in and said, "Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but the winds have picked up, so it's been cancelled." I rebooked it to 1 p.m. My sister had booked us a cruise to go around Lake Waka Pitu. I'm gonna miss the cruise with my family, unfortunately, but I feel like skydiving is more of a once in a lifetime opportunity. I guess I'll just find something to eat now. I haven't had a pie in New Zealand yet, so I might grab a pie. Could I please grab the potato top pie and then a small flat white with oat milk? Got the potato top pie, which I'm assuming is similar to a shepherd's pie. Got my coffee. That's good. Need sauce though. I'll have sauce. Can you tell that I took a bite out of it already? So after breakfast, I caught up with my mum, dad and sister again. We just grabbed some lunch. Gonna try go back to the skydiving place now. They sent me an email saying the weather looks better, so it's gonna go ahead, but we'll see. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Oh my God, I just sprinted from the skydiving office. They cancelled the rest of the skydives for the day. My sister had booked a tour at the same time. If the skydive was going ahead, I would have missed the cruise. So as soon as they told me it was cancelled, I literally sprinted all the way here. I literally just made it, but I'm so puffed out. I'm so unfit. I need to run more. I'm still puffing from that run. Just a bit windy. I am the king of pirates. Kawaii desu.
Areas out on the foredeck.
Oh, they're gonna blow the whistle. They're gonna blow the whistle. I might have big backed it a little bit. I'm going in for my second plate. I'm so full already. But my mama didn't raise a quitter. I need someone to convince me to not buy this. Is it cute? Or this one. Actually, hey, It's kind of cute. Dad's scared of heights. Good morning. We're currently at breakfast now. Our Milford Sound tour got cancelled. So we went to a tour shop and we're going to do the glacier landing in a helicopter instead. Hello. Yeah, ready to order. Cheers. Not bad. We're booking our helicopter ride now. So they might have a pocket to go today at 2 o'clock, or weather dependent. So if it's too windy or too rainy, then they can't fly, obviously for safety reasons. So they said potentially today at 2 o'clock. They'll do a weather check at 1 o'clock to see if it's all okay to go. If not, worst case scenario, we'll go tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. I forgot, Queenstown has a Saturday market. I love markets. Farmers markets are my favourite. So these candles smell like what they look like.
Newspaper underneath to stabilise it at the end of the day.
Smells like a chai latte. Yeah. Trying to decide between two different candles. One is a hot chocolate. It's got these 3 little bears and it's in this really cute pink and white mug. Or the chai. The chai smells so good. Oh, I can't decide. Do I just get both? I can't. These cakes actually look so good. Looks like real cakes. We got the thumbs up for helicopter riding. I'm currently at Ferg Burger, which is apparently one of the best places to get burgers in Queenstown. There is a bit of a line, but it's not too bad. They do have quite a big menu. I haven't decided which burger to get yet. I don't know if I should get a beef or a chicken. I feel like I should try their classic beef, like a cheeseburger. So I might just get that. Start from the basics. Hi, how's it going? Could I please grab the Ferg burger with cheese? Which cheese do you recommend? Swiss?
Either cheddar or brie are the two that I would recommend.
Cheddar? Maybe I'll grab brie. I'll grab brie. Yeah. Can I also grab a side of fries with aioli?
Grab your name.
Kathy with a K? Thanks. Thank you so much. Thank you. I got the goods. Oh, hello. That's a really good burger. It is our final morning in Queenstown, New Zealand. My mum, dad and I just went on a walk around Queenstown Gardens. It was really sunny and it was a beautiful day. It was a nice last walk to end the trip. I'm just getting ready for breakfast now. I am going to get Ferg Baker pies. I had Ferg Burger last night for dinner and everyone said you have to go next door and try the bakery and try the pies there. So I will. I'm wearing my sheep hat today. Damn, there's already a line for the bakery. Shit, okay, probably should have gotten here earlier. That's all right. Those tarts look so good. Could I please grab a curried chicken jalfrezi pie? I got the goods. Well, the sweetest thing happened. So I was waiting in line and I was waiting to order a pie. And I don't know why, all morning I was so set on getting the lamb pie. And for some reason, when I got to the counter, I ordered the chicken. And I didn't realize it until I went outside to wait for the coffee. And I was like, oh shit, I got the chicken instead of the lamb. So I went back in and I was like, I'm so sorry. I just realized I ordered the wrong pie. Can I switch it to the lamb? And she was so sweet. She's like, oh, it's a bit too late, but it's fine. I'll give you the lamb and you can keep the chicken one. So she gave me a pie for free. So now I've got 2 pies. I guess I get to try both pies now. I've also got a coffee, almond flat white, of course. The camera eats first. Oh my god. That's the lamb. It looks amazing. Actually, let's have a sip of the coffee first. That's pretty good. That is a damn good pie. How do people do this cross section? Oh. It's good as well. I think I do like the lamb one better though. I'm glad I went back for it. On our way back home. It's been a good trip.